Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by, and I'd like to say thank you to all my existing subscribers and also all my new ones. Thank you so much for popping in and subscribing and watching my videos. I'm coming on with a quick haul, very quick haul. I wanted these for so long and I finally got myself one. This is the memory deck spinner. Oh my goodness, I've always wanted one of these, always, and I couldn't find them in the UK, not in the pink that I wanted. I got this from SCRAPBOOK.com and I never thought that I would get it from there because it's international, and I know a lot of the American companies do not post or ship to the UK. But anyway, I was really pleased to get it, and I also got the punch as well. So I'll be definitely be making some memory decks cards with this. Really pleased. I was really happy how quickly this came as well, and it wasn't expensive. It was very reasonable. This came from America as well, even though I got this from eBay, but it was in America, and this came splendidly quickly. So really happy with these two, really. I also got a glue gun. I went to do some stuff the other day and realized that two of my glue guns were not working properly. I had a big one like this, and that one, it just conked out, and I had a baby one, a really small one, and that wasn't working well either. So I thought I'd get myself one, and I got this from SCREWFIX. This is a Bosch. Really glad I got this. Oh, it's helping me on a budget. Yeah, it's gonna make a difference, a big difference, because I can't do without my glue gun. I also got these as well. I think this came with one in the box, and I ordered these as well. They're massive. Look at the size of that. And can't wait to get using it. I've got some projects that I need to start on. These were reasonably priced as well. At first I thought, oh, those were expensive for 6 glue sticks, but not realizing that they were super long, I decided to get 2 packets. So I've got 12 here and 13. So I'm hoping that they will see me through for a while. These were cheaper in SCREWFIX than in Hobbycraft. I checked Hobbycraft's website and they were a lot more expensive than these. So pop over to SCREWFIX and see what you can find. That is my haul for today. Really pleased with that. I've got a little project a friend asked me to put together for her, so I'm going to do that, but I'm going to video that as well and upload it so you can see what I've done. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. This channel does consist of hauls, DIYs, home improvement, crafting and some lifestyle videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye.